What's that?
See, I just dropped the washer. You see where
Yes.
I see one.
Oh, you dropped another one? Did you get both?
Yeah.
They don't want to move over, right?
Alright, man. Hey, at least it's not cracked up, dude.
Yeah, it's not bad actually.
Could have been a lot worse. Flew off. Remember the other day I told you there was something rattling
Yeah.
on my bike?
Gotcha, was that pin starting to come loose?
Something, but at least it wasn't on a turn or something, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, I seen that thing coming right at me sideways. I probably got it on video too.
Yeah. Wow, oh. Yeah. My knucklehead uncle lost his. Thanks for getting it.
Yeah.
Thanks for getting it.
So I'm now on the road with CVMA with the Milwaukee chapter, and we're now in Wisconsin, and we're going to en route to Kentucky. We'll be going through Chicago, so let's see what that traffic's like. Never ridden out here or even driven. Well, we hit Chicago traffic. I think there's about 12 to 13 of us, and no lane splitting allowed. It's illegal here. It's not too bad. We're in 45. On our way to Kentucky. I don't know where we're at. I'm just following the group ride. It's been a nice ride. We stopped and got gas at one time, and then you could feel it was pretty warm, but once you're rolling, you're good. Look at these nice trees. Louisville. It's
Carburetor's broke. I gotta go inside and pay.
oh, it doesn't take the tap.
What's that?
You can't tap it.
No, the card reader's broke.
Oh. Yes. This is a terrible pump. I can throw it away right here. Leo, there was no slow option on the fuel. It was just fast. So I did the same thing. It's nice to sit in the sun because then we'll appreciate the air when we ride.
The truck off and I was right there. Like,
yeah, I was right beside you. Yeah.
I was trying to like keep it too. Like I looked exactly where you were. I'm like, okay, I gotta get up the road.
That was interesting.
Not gonna hit anything, right?
Oh, good. Cut her hard. Keep cutting her. Keep cutting her. Go straight. Turn it out of the way. Keep turning. There you go. Perfect.
Welcome to Louisville.